Hi, it's Tom Grosh from Grosh's Lawn Service. What we did here, if you remember back from a previous video, there was a large Emerald Green Arborvitae here, and it overpowered the fence and got to be deformed. So we removed it and left the stump, and then today we come back, cut the stump down for our client as close as we could get to, and then freshened it up with landscape stone. And instead of trying to stick a shrub back in here, what he's going to do is put some kind of container in here and grow some annual flowers or something like that to give the corners some color, but also to allow the azaleas in the bed to flourish without having other shrubs. And it's going to be difficult to grow another shrub in here and to get that stump all the way out of the ground because of the fence. And we got a hardscape patio here with so it would make it very difficult to get a stump grinder in here and to take a chance of hitting something and breaking it. So that was our suggestion. So if we can help you, contact me at tom@grosheslawnservice.com is our email, or visit our website, grosheslawnservice.com. This is Tom Grosh from Grosh's Lawn Service. Have a wonderful day. Bye.